Let's start with a question. When was the last time a pair of earbuds made you feel like you were living in the future? Yeah, same here. But hold on, because the AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be way more than just a slight refresh. The latest leaks say Apple's about to turn your ears into live translating, health monitoring, noise-crushing super devices. And yes, they might even have a touchscreen case. We're unpacking it all today. What's real, what's possible, and why this might be Apple's boldest audio leap yet. Now let's be honest, AirPods haven't really looked different since 2019. The shape? Familiar. The white? Classic. But don't let the shell fool you. Apple's reportedly jamming some serious intelligence inside. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to double the noise cancellation power of the current model. Imagine stepping into a busy subway station and hearing nothing but your playlist. If AirPods Pro 2 were impressive, Pro 3 is looking like a silent sanctuary in your pocket. This is where things get really sci-fi. Leaks say the Pro 3 might include heart rate monitoring and body temperature tracking, right from the earbuds themselves. Yep, no need for a watch or fitness band. Your AirPods might soon know when your pulse spikes before you do. Great for workouts, but even better for those early signs of illness we usually ignore. Apple's betting that your ears, not your wrist, are the next big frontier in personal health. And honestly, it kind of makes sense. Okay, deep breath, because this one is wild. Bloomberg reports Apple is working on real-time language translation built right into the AirPods, powered by iOS 26. Think of it like this. You're in Paris. Someone speaks French. Your AirPods whisper the English version in your ear, in real time. No awkward pauses. No clunky apps, just seamless conversation, the way it should be. If Apple pulls this off, it won't just be an upgrade. It'll be a paradigm shift in how we travel, work, and connect across cultures. Let's clear one thing up. No, there won't be cameras in AirPods Pro 3. Not yet, at least. That's reportedly in the works for future versions, but it's not part of this drop. What might show up is a touchscreen charging case, letting you check battery, control playback, or even switch noise modes without pulling out your phone. Now about price. Tariffs are lurking in the shadows. If Apple can shift enough production to India and Vietnam, they might keep the $249 price tag. But if not, some sources say up to $300 is on the table. That's a spicy bump, and one that might make Pro 2 buyers feel a bit smug. So, what's the move? If you're rocking first-gen AirPods Pro or anything older, it might be worth holding out until September. That's when the Pro 3 is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11. But if tariffs hit and prices jump, the Pro 2s might suddenly feel like a smart pickup. Either way, one thing's clear. AirPods are about to become a lot more than headphones. They're turning into personal assistants, fitness trackers, and global interpreters, all sitting in your ears. So are you ready for AirPods that do more than just play music? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this all genius or overkill? And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the official reveal when Apple finally breaks the silence.